Thank you for purchasing the Mantis Vision F6 Smart Handheld Scanner, the best-in-class solution for quick 3D scanning of big objects and large areas. Please make sure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Before starting, make sure to charge the F6 Smart Scanner by connecting it to the transformer and plugging into a nearby AC outlet. Don't connect the scanner to your computer yet. Download the latest installer version from the Echo software section of the F6 Smart website. Double-click on the self-extracting zip file to extract the files, then on the setup icon in order to begin the installation. On the Welcome to the Echo Setup Wizard screen, click Next. On the Select Destination Location screen, click Next to install to the default location or browse to select a different folder. On the Select Components screen, select all components for a full installation. Only the necessary files will be installed. On the Select Start Menu folder screen, click Next or check the Don't Create a Start Menu folder box if you so desire. On the Select Additional Tasks screen, click Next, then click Install on the Ready to Install screen to start the installation. The installer will now extract files, install the drivers, and the rest of the files as needed for a full installation. Accept, next, and finish. After the installation is complete, restart your computer and then double-click on the Echo icon in order to launch the app. Next, we'll connect and configure the scanner.